how to create a large format estimate in PrintPoint. Start by clicking on the estimate list view. Next, click New. From here, you will select the customer you'd like to use. Select the contact. Now type in the project name. Click the plus button. Select large format. Notice my project name came into my job name, so I can click at the end, erase package, and type in banner. If I use my tab key on my keyboard, it drops me down to my item description, where I can either type in until it highlights something in the list below. I can type in something new for one-time use, or I can add a new item to this list so I can use it in the future. In this case, banner's already in my list, so I'm just going to hit my enter key so it fills in the rest of the way. Notice it had a few defaults with it. The part and the original were filled in automatically, and that is something you can set when you're creating a new item for the item descriptions. In this case, my part and originals are good, so I'm just going to select the visual setup. From here, I select the device I would like to use and the media I would like to use. Notice more defaults were filled in. These defaults are set in the press. You'll see that in another video. Here, I know my size is good, so I'm just going to go with it. And I don't have anything else I need to change in here. There are a few other options you can change, but in this case, everything's good. So I'm going to click OK. Now I'm ready to change my quantities. I want my quantity A to be 1, but my quantity B, I'm going to make 4. And my quantity C, I'm going to make 8. Next, I can add pre-press or post-press items as need be. That is covered in another video. So from here, I'm ready to just save. Here's my item in my master estimate. If I click Save Here, here is my estimate in my list view.